In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, just access settings and scroll down, so miss click. Then click on privacy protection over here and click on all permissions. Following that, select one of your device's features like location and pick one of your apps. I will go with Maps. Then select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow all the time, allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time. So now when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always pick any feature and then select the chosen app. For example, Chrome. Now we can click on See All Chrome permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!